Now we have here x to the fourth minus 10x squared plus 9 over x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x. And we are required to find the values of x that would make this expression 0. And we are given 4 probable answers. We have A, 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 3. And then B, 0, 1, and 3. Letter C, plus minus 1, plus minus 3. And finally, D, we have 1 and minus 3. Now, we will simplify this expression by factoring. But first, take note that the sign of the last term is positive and the middle term is negative. That means that the second terms of the factors are all negative. Likewise, in the denominator, we have all the signs negative. So that means the factors have unlike signs. Now, let us factor. Now take note, you have minus 9 times x squared is minus 9x squared. X squared times minus 1, that would be minus x squared. If you add that one, you have the negative 10x squared. And notice also that these factors are still factorable. Also the denominator. And these factors are okay. Let us now apply the cancellation process. We have x minus 3, we have x minus 3. So that will cancel. And then we have x plus 1, we have x plus 1. So that will cancel. So what is left now is now we will solve for the value of x in such a way that this equation will have a 0 value. So we will multiply this left side by x. Also, we have to multiply the right side by x. So this will cancel, this will cancel. And 0 times x is still 0, so we have to cancel that. So we have now solving for x, just transpose the positive 3 to the right side, that becomes negative. And solving for x, transpose 1 to the right side, that becomes positive. So our values are minus 3 and 1. But we have to check whether our answers are correct. So let us check for x equals 1. So we will substitute this value to this expression. So we have 1 to the 4th minus 10 times 1 square plus 9 over 1 cube minus 2 times 1 square minus 3 times 1. This is equal to 1 to the 4th is just 1. And 1 square is just 1. So what is left is 1 minus 10 plus 9. And this is 1. That is then minus 2 and minus 3. So minus 2 and minus 3, that would be minus 5. Plus 1, that would be minus 4. And this is equal to 0 over minus 4. But 0 divided by any number or term or quantity is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. Now, what about the x minus 3? So we have here x minus 3. We'll underline that one to emphasize. So we will substitute this to that one. So we have minus 3 to the 4th minus 10 times minus 3 square plus 9. Excuse me. So we have minus 3 cube minus 2 times minus 3 square minus 3 times minus 3 quantity. And that would be equal to, this exponent is positive or even, so this must be positive. So 9 times, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. And then this is minus 3 square is positive 9 times minus 10 is minus 90 plus 9. Then you have over. We have add exponent, so this must be negative. So 3 times 3, 9 times 3 is negative 27. And then minus 3 square is positive times minus 2 is minus 18. Minus 3 times minus 3 plus 9. Now, this is equal to 81 plus 9 is 90 plus minus 90 is 0. And this is minus 27, and then we have minus 18 and positive 9, that would be minus 9, so minus 36. But the answer is still 0, because 0 divided by any number is 0. So our answers are correct. Now we look for this solution set in our probable answers. We have x1, you have there 1. And minus 3, you have there minus 3. So, the answer is letter D. Okay, so I hope you were able to follow the solution and also the explanation. And please subscribe, follow, and like to support my channel. Thank you.